What's up, everyone? Today we're unlocking the secrets to free Clash Royale rewards, codes that get you gems, gold, and exclusive emotes. Forget endless grinding. These codes are your shortcut to epic loot and a serious edge in the arena. I'll show you where to find them, how to redeem them, and how to never miss a single reward. By the end, your account will be stacked with loot. Ready to level up? Let's dive in. Why are these codes so powerful? It's simple. They're like instant upgrades for your gaming experience, giving you a shortcut to the good stuff. Imagine being able to skip the grind and jump straight to the rewards. That's what these codes do for you. Instead of waiting weeks or even months to collect enough gold or cards, a single code can instantly max out your favorite card, unlock a rare emote, or even give you a boost that would normally take ages to earn. It's like having a fast pass to all the best features in the game. Some codes unlock exclusive content, special items, emotes, or skins that you simply can't get anywhere else, no matter how much you play. These are the things that make your account stand out and show off your dedication. They're not just freebies, they're your ticket to faster progress, a more unique account, and a way to experience the game in a way most players can only dream of. With these codes, you can breeze through tough levels and unlock achievements in record time. Every code is a strategic advantage, letting you outpace the competition and climb the leaderboards faster than ever. It's not just about luck, it's about using every tool at your disposal to get ahead. Use them wisely, and you'll be the player everyone envies, the one with the coolest gear, the rarest emotes, and the highest scores. Your friends will wonder how you did it. So let's make sure you never miss out on the next big code drop. Stay tuned and get ready to unlock your full potential. So, where do you actually find these elusive codes that unlock awesome rewards in Clash Royale? It might seem tricky at first, but with a few tips, you'll be collecting codes like a pro in no time. Start by checking Clash Royale's official Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube pages. Supercell often drops codes during special events, seasonal updates, or when celebrating milestones. These platforms are your best bet for the latest, most reliable codes straight from the source. Don't forget to follow top Clash Royale creators and streamers. Many of them receive exclusive codes directly from Supercell to share with their fans, sometimes during live streams or in special video announcements. Being part of their community can give you early access to codes before they're widely shared. Once you've found a code, open up Clash Royale on your device. Tap the menu icon, head over to Settings, and look for the Redeem Code button. This is where you'll enter your code to claim your reward. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears. Pay close attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, since codes are case sensitive. Double check for typos to make sure you don't miss out. After entering the code, hit claim, and your rewards will appear instantly in your account. Whether it's gems, gold, or exclusive emotes, it's always a thrill to see what you've unlocked. Stay alert and keep checking for new codes regularly. With a little effort and attention, you'll never miss out on the latest rewards again. The real trick? Speed. Most codes expire fast. Turn on notifications for Clash Royale's social media and your favorite creators, so you're first to know. Join the official Discord and Reddit. These communities post codes the moment they drop. Set up alerts for code sharing channels. Make code hunting a daily habit. A quick check takes 2 minutes and keeps you ahead. Be proactive. Don't wait for codes to find you. That's how you stay loaded with rewards. Let's get you some loot right now. Here are 3 active codes. Season 55 win, free lightning chest and 100 banners. CR Elfinals 23, 20,000 gold and an exclusive emote. Legendary, a mystery reward, gems, gold, or even a giant chest. These codes expire soon, so pause the video and redeem them now. Don't miss out. Claim your instant boost. Let me know in the comments what you got. I can't find every code alone, but together we can. Imagine a community where everyone brings their discoveries to the table, making sure no code goes unnoticed. When we work as a team, we unlock so much more than we ever could by ourselves. Every gamer, every fan, every curious mind, your contribution matters. Drop any new codes you find in the comments, share where you found them, and what they give. The more details you add, the easier it is for others to benefit. Don't keep those secret codes to yourself. Let's help each other out. Check the comments before you hunt. Sort by newest first for the latest codes. That way you'll always be up to date and never miss out on fresh rewards. Stay ahead of the game by seeing what others have just discovered. Like and thank anyone whose code works for you. A simple thumbs up or a quick thank you goes a long way in building a positive, supportive community. Let's show appreciation for everyone's efforts. Let's turn this comment section into the best code database online. Imagine a place where every code is easy to find and everyone helps keep it updated. Together we can make this the go-to spot for every code hunter out there. Help each other and we all win. When one of us succeeds, we all get stronger. Let's build a network where everyone's victory is shared. The Great Code Hunt starts now. Let's do this. Grab your device, join the hunt, and let's make this the most legendary code finding community ever. You've got the tools. Now go claim your Clash Royale rewards. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips and codes. Share any new codes in the comments and help build our code hunting community. I'll be reading your comments and sharing more secrets soon. Now get out there, grab your loot, and dominate the arena.